Okay, guys, so my name's Recon Gaming, and I'm going to be doing a little video where, see, on my first video, I kind of messed up on the, import timer. There's a few fighters up, and it was kind of like spaghettied. But I'll work with my team to try to fix it until we made it better than ever and work. So, you'll excuse me. Let's get on with the tutorial. So, I've named this time2.py. You gotta say import time. To import the time functions, you can do time.sleep1 if you remember from my last video. By the way, there will be links to my last video in the description. So just like the last video, you want to make a variable named sec format, which is equal to which is quotation marks, curly Q's, colon 0 greater than 2 digits or 2D. Then you want to dot format it. If you see, this is what I was just talking about. Now, you want to make something else called min format and do the exact same thing, except instead of 2D, it's 1D. Then do the dot format again. Okay, so then you want to create something called minutes. Mins should be equal to integer input minutes, and then I will add a little colon for it. And then seconds, another colon. So yeah, you probably see this well. And yeah, okay, so then after that, you need to do end equals 0, or you could say finish. I prefer finish now. So finish equals 0. Then you want to say time 1 is equal to minutes times 60 plus seconds. Well, time 1 is greater than and then you want to say, well, time 1 is greater than to create a loop. So the timer actually keeps going and it doesn't just do it once. That's what you need to do. So you do while time 1 is greater than or equal to end. Or now we need to change from end to finish. Yeah, after that. And then after that, you need to say if sex is equal to -1, do sex equals 59, and mins is equal to mins -1. And that's your little, when the sex equals -1, so you don't mess up, don't have any mess ups. Then you want to do print function, quotation marks, curly Q, min format, with in brackets mins, because you want to do the function min format on mins. Then you want to do colon sec format on sex, so brackets and sex. Then you want to finish with another quotation mark, do comma, end equals single quotes \R, so you don't have a carriage return. Then after that, you want to do time.sleep1, so it waits 1 second. Sex should be equal to sex -1, so you take 1 away from the seeable timer. And then time 1 is equal to time 1 -1 to take away from the visible timer. Then take away all your tabs, because if you make another line that says print, bring, as many brings as you want. then what you want to do is take away all the tabs. Because it looks like this, you want to make it, you just want to do the X so it goes all the way back to the beginning. After you've done all of this, you have your nice little code. This has been tested, saving it as time2.py. So now this has been tested, so we won't have any little problems, I don't think. Yeah, let me check one last time just to make sure. You want to do time one? Yeah, I think that we have everything good. All you gotta do is just run the program. Okay, so it says how many minutes do you want? I did minutes, space in my integer input. So I can put in 1 minute. Then how many seconds do you want? I think 10 seconds. It'll say 1 minute 10, 1 minute 9, 1 minute 8, 1 minute 7, 1 minute 6, 1 minute 5, 1 minute 4, 1 minute 3, 1 minute 2, 1 minute, 59 seconds, 58, 57. I really worked hard to try to fix this, but now when I look back on my first video I ever made, and that video, I feel like it was kind of a joke then, so I'm really proud of myself now. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so you can see one of my Minecraft streams maybe one day, or some more cool codes like something using the arcade library in Python, or even some Java codes that will also be timers. Now, as you can see, you got the 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And then it should print bring, a bunch of brings. Then after you did that, it's really that simple. That's mostly everything you had to do. I hope you liked it. Recon Gaming is